Hi guys! Today we will be having something you've all been dreaming about right here. Samgyeopsal! Okay, samgyeopsal is the representative Korean barbecue. So every time you go to a Korean barbecue restaurant, this is what we get. And every K-drama lover also knows what this is. This is like the epic food to eat when you come to Korea. So let's try some. And also to make it more delicious, we gotta add some kimchi. You guys know kimchi, right? Everyone knows, when you think about Korea, kimchi is the next thing you think about. So we're gonna add some to make it more delicious. Oh, it assaults your senses, the sounds. Oh my god. Usually in Korea, they always give a lot of side dishes. I always thought samgyeopsal, you just eat the meat. But then what happens to all the side dishes? So I'm gonna introduce you to some of them. Here we have mushrooms. For those of you who love your vegetables, mushrooms are also added. You can also roast them, or you can just eat them separately with the vegetables. Perfection. Oh, let me not get distracted. I was introducing you. Yeah, so Koreans love their garlic. I never loved garlic until I came to Korea. I don't know why, it just gives it a better taste. So they have the samjang, which is typically always when you wrap things up. I have another kind of jang in front there, which is all different kinds, different tastes. Some people like it a little bit spicy, some people like it a little bit more that fermented taste, which is what the samjang has. And then there's doenjang jjigae, which is made from soybean paste. That's also a fermented taste that creates a unique experience. And also spring onions. That's the last one. So usually we cut to make it easier to eat because obviously no one's gonna eat like that. Oh no, I can't do that. You need to cut it. 100% concentration. Aiko. Oh. Come to mama. Right, it looks all done. Let's take this to the side. Prepare. Oh yeah. This is kakdugi kimchi, which is actually pickled radish. I would just use it to, clear my throat because I like the spicy feel. Be careful if you don't like spicy food. When I first came to Korea, usually I thought you just pick it, eat samgyeopsal. Oh, so soft. Wow. Amazing. What happens to all the side dishes? Do they just throw it away? Is it just meant to make the table fancy? Then I realized they eat it all. And I was like, how? So I'm gonna show you guys some steps that they do. Again, this differs by person because I've eaten with a lot of Korean people and they always eat it differently, and also I've spied a lot of people, I think younger generation, older generation, they all eat it very differently. So this is just the recommended one by some YouTube channels that I saw and some of my friends. So yeah, here we go. In K-drama, as we always see, they always try and create some layer. And when they create the layer, they put the meat inside. I'm just gonna go with one. No matter the step you take, never forget samjang. Which I'm not gonna take a lot, just gonna take a little bit. We've all seen this scene in K-drama, right? No, not 먹어. Sorry, excuse me. Open wide. The freshest vegetables, the better. Musa. It's the pickle. Let's take one. Look how thin it is. I've never actually tried it. This is gonna be my first time. Oh yeah, there you go. And you wrap it. Oh, look how pretty it is. I think I get it. Musam is kind of sweet, and the meat is kind of like, you know, greasy because of the pork. So the combination makes it seem. Oh, I don't know. There's a taste I'm trying to remember. Oh, but it's really good. I don't know why I never tried this. I've always been scared because I'm the kind that once I find what I like, I always go with that, and I've always used only the perilla seeds. So let's try another one. Oh yeah. Come. There you go. See, it has some tofu, it has some pickles, it has everything in it. And we'll just try. Refreshing. In most Korean restaurants, after like you finish eating all of the meat, they also like make like a fried rice, comes like a stir fry for you, which is, I think is very good. But today we're not gonna do the stir fry. Today, we're gonna try and fry some other things that they usually do with the meat. Like earlier I did like a meat and kimchi, but now I'm just gonna show like how they do like with mushrooms, garlic, and some other stuff. So let's try it. So when you have that all with the mushrooms, this time I'm gonna use like the green onions. This is for a more seasoned feel. Just a little bit. Before I came to Korea, this was all I could dream about, eating samgyeopsal in Korea. Because as you can see, there are a lot of side dishes here. Obviously in every country, we also have like our Korean barbecue, but this many dishes, you can only find them in Korea. But even though you cannot find these many side dishes, I'm sure like in your closest Korean barbecue restaurant in your country, you can always find one or two of this. So even if it's only one or two, or even something you have at home that you can make your own special side dish and also eat along with me every weekend. This is my every weekend dish, lunch and dinner. So I hope you can enjoy Korean food all over the world. Bye.